Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop Windows 10 from saving files to your OneDrive. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. To actually do this, what you're going to need to do is stop OneDrive from opening up on startup. So if it's stopped from opening up on startup, it's not going to be set as the default place to save files. So what you're going to want to do is come to the bottom right hand corner, and what you want to do is you should see two little clouds here. If you don't see that down there, then what you're going to want to do is click this arrow next to it, and the cloud should be showing up in the hidden icons. And once you've located that, what you want to do is right click. And then what you want to do is go into Help and Settings, and then click onto Settings. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is click on the tab at the top which says Settings. And you'll see in the first section, General section, what you want to do is actually untick this first box, which says Start OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows. And then just go ahead and click OK. And that's basically it. So that's it turned off, and obviously when you next sign into Windows, that's not going to load up. And what's going to happen, nothing is going to get saved to your OneDrive. Another way around it is if your OneDrive is full, like mine is, then it's obviously not going to save files as well. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.